Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another subscription box unboxing. I know I said I was going to do one every month and I did skip last month, so I do apologise if anyone was waiting for that video. But I was on holiday, so I've got a little bit of an excuse. So today I've got a new subscription box. It's a little bit different to the ones I've done before. The ones I've done before, if you've seen them on my channel already, have been a little bit more beauty related. And in this subscription box unboxing, it's going to be like stationery related. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy something a little bit different. So the package I've got here, if you haven't already read the title, is by Papergang. So I believe Papergang is the name of the subscription box service and they are owned by Oh Dear. And Oh Dear are a stationery company that sells stationery products online. So I think Papergang is literally the name of the subscription box. But I've got two boxes here in this package because I noticed a deal pop up on my Instagram and it was buy one box and get a mystery box for free. So these subscription boxes are around £10 or £10.95, one of the two, and postage is about £2.95. And with this deal you got your usual £10 box, but then you got an additional one for free. So I thought I would try this box this month and then cancel it for next month, but just show you what's inside them, and it's something a bit different for me. I've enjoyed the beauty subscription boxes that I've been doing, so this will be something a little bit new. So as I said, this is the packet that it came in, so it's in this nice brown paper bag, which is very sustainable. So as I open them both up, this is the first box and this is the second box. So from what I've seen online, this box is the monthly subscription box, and then this is the box that you get for free if you sign up for the deal. I think you have to be a new member to get this second box free this month. So I'm going to start with this box, as this is the standard subscription box that you would be getting if you were subscribed to them for every month. Just on the front of this, which is really nice, it just says Marine Conservation Society, £1 per box sold is donated towards the conservation of our seas, coasts and marine wildlife. So that's really nice. I think by the looks of this is going to be like water themed, like conservation, marine conservation, water themed, which I think it's just really nice because it's kind of a hot topic at the minute wherever you seem to go, the whole sustainability thing. So it's just nice that they donate some money towards the Marine Conservation Society. So I'm just going to open it up. It seems like these boxes are all going to be really easily recyclable, which is nice because I do have a few boxes still from some of my other subscription boxes that are kind of too substantial to recycle, and I kind of feel bad getting rid of them, whereas these are just really thin, like card wraps, and then you've just got this really thin card box, which I prefer, I think. So I'm just going to open this up. And then inside, it's just got a little drawing of how Papergang works. So I'm not going to bother reading that. I'll just show you on screen if you want to pause the video. So inside, we've just got all the products that are wrapped up. And as I said, these are like stationery sort of products, like notebooks and pencils and things like that. So I honestly don't know what I'm going to be getting. So it's in a nice blue tissue paper, again, easily recyclable. Right, I think I saw a little snapshot of this on Instagram, so this is cool. This is going to be the first thing I'll show you. So this little package here, which I'm super excited about, is 3 metal straws. So this is perfect for the theming of the box because obviously there's been a whole worldwide issue around plastic straws, and these sort of metal straws, the reusable straws, are massive at the minute. So it's really nice that this is kind of like a focal product in this box, and it's in a nice little pouch as well with Oh Dear on, which is really cute. So that's really nice. I'll definitely be using those. I was actually going to buy some of these so I don't have to anymore. We've just got this really cute little pin, and it's of a little narwhal. So that's really cute. I do really like pins, so that's a really nice touch. We've then got a little sticker sheet. So this has just got some little whales on, a little starfish. So that's really nice. We've got a little booklet with the RRP of the products. So The enamel pin is £5.95 to buy. The metal straws are £5.50 for 2, and we got 3 of them. There's also a little illustration here. I guess you could put that in a little frame. There is no Planet B. I love that slogan. It's really cool. So this is just like a little art print. So this has an RRP of £9, which is interesting. So that's quite cute. The stickers had an RRP of £1. I don't think I'd spend £1 on a little sheet of stickers, but they're cute nonetheless. And then we've just got this really cute little notebook, which the stickers would go perfectly in. And it's a really nice thick notebook as well. Nice lined notebook. I can take that to work. And it's just got these really cute little narwhals on, and little octopuses, octopi, and little dolphins, things like that. So this is really nice. And this has an RRP of £8.95. So adding up all of the RRP prices of the products in the box, you're not getting a massive saving, if I'm honest, compared to like the beauty boxes we've had where a £5 box has contained like a £20 lipstick. But I just think it's nice that they're things that are useful. So you've got the notebook, the metal straws, the pin's really cute, and it's obviously donating a bit of money to the Conservation Society, and it's just nice to get this sort of thing in the post as well, just a few little knickknacks that you can use. So I'm happy with that for that first box. In this little booklet as well, it's just got a little bit about the Conservation Society, single-use plastics, and it's also got a little bit about the illustrator of the box, so the person that illustrated all of these like narwhals and things like that. So yeah, really happy with that. And then we still have another box to open. So this is the second box. I don't think this is supported by any sort of charity. I think what the sort of concept of Papergang is, I think they kind of team up with illustrators each month, because you can obviously see that that's like a completely different illustration style to the last box, and I think everything in the box is kind of themed to that illustration, which is really cool. So that's what the box sleeve looks like, and this is the box. So I'm just throwing this little clip in here whilst I'm editing. I was just about to recycle the sleeve packaging of the subscription boxes, and then I noticed on the back of them they have these little cutout activities. So on the back of this one they've got how to make a paper plane, so you can see there it shows you how to fold it and make a paper plane. And then on the back of this box it shows you how to make a little whale. So how to cut out the back packaging and make a little paper whale. So it's something I didn't notice straight away, but I've just been editing the video and I was about to throw these in the recycling and I just noticed these on the back. So I thought I'd mention it just in case you get this box and you don't notice this little thing at the back, which I think is just really quirky and really cool. So back to the rest of the video. So first of all, we've just got this little box here that says aeroplane paper clips. So you get 20 silver aeroplane paper clips. They are so cool. I absolutely love stuff like this. They just look wicked. So that is really fun. I love those. So that's the first product. And then we've just got another tissue paper. So let's just open this up. And I'm assuming we're going to get some form of notebook, maybe some stickers again, and we'll see what we get. So first thing, which is really quite funny, is just some of these little postcards. So they're actual postcards, don't know if you can see that on the back, and they've just got like little illustrations on, so picture of the Statue of Liberty with these little illustrations of these bears on. And then we've just got Paris, and then Rome. So that's quite cool with the illustrator's artwork on, so that's nice. And then what have we got here? Ah, this is interesting. So this is wrapping paper. So it folds out much bigger than this, but I'm not going to fold it out on screen. And this is a sheet of wrapping paper with the illustrator's illustrations on, so that's really cool. And it's printed on 100% recycled paper in the UK, so that's cool. And it's just got a little bit of detail about who the artist is on the back. And then we've got this really cute little notebook. So that is what it looks like. Just got this really cute little compasses, that's what it's called, on the front. That's really cool. So if you open it up, it's got like a map of the world. This looks like a travel journal, because when you open it up, it's got like a lined side here that says date, location, and today I, and then it's got a blank page, so you could put today I did this and this and this, and then you put your location, so if you went travelling, and then you could always staple some ticket stubs on here, or draw some pictures, or stick some photos. So that is a lovely idea. So this is like a travel journal rather than a notebook, which I actually think is really nice, because considering we had the notebook in the other one, it would almost be a waste having a second notebook, but this is something a bit different. So I like that, that's really cool. So we've just got the wrapping paper, the note journal, the postcards, and the really cool aeroplane clips. Now I can't seem to find, I might be wrong, I can't seem to find the recommended retail prices of those products. I'm not sure if they list them online, they might do, but I have a feeling that it's probably similar sort of RRPs to the last box. So not the best deal in the world, but also it's just nice to have a little treat. You don't always have to get these boxes just to get a bargain. It's just nice to get like a little treat through the post every month. And I think it's really cute, the things that I've got in these boxes. For £10.95 and then £2.95 postage, so like £14. I've got some really cute stuff that I'm definitely going to use. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the Papergang subscription boxes. I hope you enjoyed the fact that it was a little bit different. If you're not subscribed already, then please do, if you liked this video, or if you like this sort of video. If you've got any suggestions of any boxes you want me to review, then leave them in the comments below and I will have a look at doing that for you. So I will see you in the next video.